Now if you see, like, the question 4, so let me see this. Yeah, question 4, yes. Now the question 4 is to show that the limitation x square minus 1, this is the limitation problem. Okay, so and this is our equations. Let me maximize. Yeah. So do this by first creating a vector x that has the element. Again, that it says that you have to create a vector x that has the element, like, the 5, 3, 2, 1.5, 1.1. Okay. So these are element, and it says that you need to create first vector x and apply this element on it. Okay. So then create new vector y in which element is determined from the elements of x by x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay. So then I can, we can create a new vector that is called y in which element is determined from the element of x by using this x square minus x minus 1. Okay. So again, that we are creating x and y, the variables there. Compare the elements of y with value of 2. Okay, so we can use, like, the format long or format short command to to get the decimal points. So to solve this problem or the questions, what we can do first, it says that create variables or vectors first using these values. These values are already given in these questions, and it says that use the format long function. So what is meaning of this format long function? So it will give me the different decimal points. Okay, for example, if I use this, the a is equal to 1.2 into 2.5. Okay, and like, the format command. So let me declare the variable first again. Okay, so as I'm declaring this variable b is equal to 2.3 into 5.2, so answers will be in this category, right? So format long command does for me, it will give me the different data, different decimal points. Okay, so if I use like format short command, so MATLAB will does for me, like, it will create a short, like, up to the 4 decimal point. Okay, MATLAB short. If I use this, and again you using this b variable, as you can see this difference, that here you will get the the number of the decimal points here, and in using this format short command, that you can get up to the 4 decimal point. Okay, so this is the difference between format long and format short command. Okay, so the question is, the question of 4 is only that you create the x vectors here using the values and apply this format long command and format y command. Okay, and use this equation to solve the questions, right? So this is very simple thing that we can do. Now, as x approaches to 1 and y approaches 2, so we can do it further, like, the x will approach to 1 and y will be again come to the value of 2. Okay, now this will be the very easy question or easy, the solution that we can get from MATLAB. Okay, now we'll move further our question of 5. Okay, so let me just, yeah, maximize. Yeah,